If I smile now, my teeth are black. Safety first. I can't see anything. Show them how bad it is. Check the inside. Last time you're going to be so dirty. I'm guessing we don't need a box. Maybe a little.
You're so funny.
I don't feel fun. Okay, I understand. Before and after.
Wow, look at that.
This one is aluminium polish compound. You take the drill, we take the compound and we spread it a bit, and now we paint the walls. Now let's check the result. That's the result. And check this one. Ta-da! Quite easy.
Impressive.
Thank you. Back to work.
Wow, yummy.
So now, I had to order a special tool for this job. I'm glad I finally have it. It's an impact screwdriver. Very cheap, but you really need to have it if you work on old dirt bikes. So the way it works is you just hammer it here, and when you hammer, it spins. Put a bit inside, and you give it a good whack. Nice. This was very tight, I couldn't open it by hand. but it's a no problem for the impact screwdriver. Now this disgusting slider can go to rubbish. I'm going to save the washers. So let's check the bearings. When the swing arm was on the bike, it had absolutely zero play. So I know the bearings are fine, but they could do with a new grease. So I'm going to reuse these bearings. I just want to clean them. This one is a bit more dirty. Re-grease and reuse, because they have absolutely no play. After the wire brush, now we are spray painting it to protect it. So as you can see, it's already degreased. And this is how it looks before. Check this out. Oh, what a surprise! It looks the same because it's aluminium spray. Aluminium spray paint. That's it. We'll let it dry and we'll come back later. So we're going to start cleaning up the linkage. And I'm going to use, again, WD-40. I'm going to soak it up. Clean them up. We do the linkage and then we wash them with soapy water. It's not coming off. It's mud. It doesn't want to come off. Rusty, oh my goodness. The bearings are falling apart. We'll see if we can salvage them. I don't feel like I can salvage them. Yeah, the bearings broke apart. Looks like we'll have to change the bearings.